Are you ready to start your online journey? Signing up for GoDaddy is the first step toward creating a successful website. Hi there. Today, I'm thrilled to walk you through how to sign up for GoDaddy. Let's get started. To begin, click the link in the description below to visit the GoDaddy website. On the homepage, you'll see options like domains, websites, hosting, and more. To begin the registration process, click the Sign In button in the top right corner, then select Create an Account to proceed. On the account creation page, you'll see several options to sign up using Facebook, Google, or email. Choose the method that works best for you. For this example, I'll be using email. On the next page, enter your email, username, and password. Then, verify your identity by following the on-screen instructions to continue. After verification, select the features you'd like for your website and click Continue. Then, choose the type of business or website you're planning to create, and hit Continue again. Next, give your website a name and hit Continue again. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new website.